subscribe.
Awesomer kids! Today I'm super excited to bring you this Just Like Home microwave. We're going to be doing some Play-Doh magic, and we're going to be learning about colors and fruit. First, I'm going to put in some red and green Play-Doh. Do you guys know what fruit this is? I'll give you a hint. It's the only fruit that has the seeds on the outside. It's a strawberry. Strawberries are not only a delicious and healthy snack, but they can also help whiten your teeth.
No, that doesn't mean stop using toothpaste.
Also, in case you were wondering, the best time to eat strawberries is in the spring.
They are the first fruit to ripen.
The next thing I'm going to do is put in this hunk of green Play-Doh. What kind of fruit is all green? Find out the answer after a little magic. It's a lime. Limes have a tangy, sour taste, and it's more acidic compared to the lemon. The oils from limes are often used in cosmetics and fragrances. Check out this purple and green bunch. Shout it out if you know what it is. I'll give you a hint. It grows on vines. It's grapes. There are over 8,000 different types of grapes. Grapes are used to make juices, wines, and raisins. It also comes in multiple colors too. Green, red, black, yellow, purple, and even pink. Ooh, this next one is orange. Could it be just that? An orange? We'll just have to wait and see. It's a tangerine. Tangerines are also known as mandarins. They're much smaller than the normal orange, but it's still packed with vitamin C. You've probably seen these in the grocery store known as cuties.
Because of how cute they are.
Check out this red fruit. This is a fruit that's very crispy, and eating just one a day will keep the doctor away. It's an apple. Just like strawberries, eating apples can help whiten and brighten your teeth. That's because of the acidity in them. And the crunchy inside acts like a toothbrush and it can scrub away stains. The next fruit I have is all yellow on the outside, but it may be a different color on the inside.
Monkeys love this fruit.
It's a banana! Bananas are a great snack to take on the go. It provides good energy and potassium as well as hydration. Here's a fun fact. Bananas are made up of 75% water.
That's why they float.
This is a tricky one. It's all purple. What kind of fruit is it? Let's pop it in the magic microwave. It's a plum. There are two basic types of plums, European and Japanese. They can come in yellow, green, and purple. The dried versions of plums are known as prunes. The last fruit I have is a light green color. It has a funny shape to it, doesn't it? It's small at the top and then it gets bigger towards the bottom. What kind of fruit is that? It's a pear! There are over 3,000 types of pears in the world. They used to be called butterfruit because of its texture. Well, that's all the fruit I have for today. This was a lot of fun, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to see more. Thanks!